How to browse Motel 6 location by state using the Motel 6 destination page. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Motel 6 page. Here, simply click on search by at the top. After you click on search by at the top, simply search your state name. You'll find all these options. Select the one you prefer. Then select your check-in and check-out date. After you've selected the date icon at the top, calendar will pop up. Simply select check-in and check-out date. From there, guest, and then press on search. After you search, you'll find all the motels from this location. You can scroll through it and click on it to book if you want to go. This is how to browse Motel 6 location by state using the Motel 6 destination page. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.